Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to import contact from Gmail on any Android phone. This is my first Android phone and this is my second Android phone. I have contacts in this Android device as you can see. I want to import all of these contacts into this device. I will simply go in settings, simply scroll down, go in Google, go in all services, scroll down, go in Google Contact Sync, tap on Sync, enable the Google Contact Sync. Now tap on also sync device contacts. Simply enable this option. Select your Google account. As you can see, now my contacts are backup. Now go back. Tap on 3 contact sync. Tap on this icon to backup your contacts. As you can see, 3 contacts synced. Now log in this Google account into this phone. So I will simply go in settings. Scroll down, Google, tap on sign in, simple enter your email, tap on next, enter your Google account password, simply scroll down, tap on I agree, now tap on turn on backup, not now. Now let's go in contacts. So this is how you can import contacts from Gmail on any Android phone. If this video helps you, like this video and subscribe the channel for more information.